Hi love! Good morning! Today magpapa-change tires kami from winter to summer, so dadalhin ko yung mga gulong natin. Bye-bye! So let's go to my main school for today. So I only have 3 classes, I think. And the third years will go on their school trip today. So wala tayong masyadong mga lessons. Love, we just arrived, and in this school we would wear a mask. Very rampant yung flu, so kailangan nating maging maingat. Hi love! So afternoon na ngayon, so wala na tayong klase, so nagpa-schedule ako ng NENQ or paid leave. So I still have 14 days. So gagamitin ko yung 1 day. So we are calling it a day. Let's go to the gas station to change our tires. Salamat love sa pagsama. So nakuha ko na itong ating sasakyan at nakapag-change tires na tayo. So hanggang dito na lang. Bye bye!